Welcome back to another video. Yes, you're on my channel, and today, if you haven't guessed by the title, we are going to be doing a drip harder type beat. Yes, a Gunna And Lil baby type beat. Thoughts on drip harder? I thought it was very lackluster. I did not like it. After the first time I heard it, it was just, man, I don't know. But anyway, nonetheless, we're gonna show up that album and try and improve it a little bit. So what I got for you guys today is, if you can see on my computer, I have a guitar sample that I found. Yes, it's a Buckethead sample. Yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys listen to it, and here's what it sounds like. That's hard. So I'm gonna use that sample. I'm gonna drag it in Edison and try and find the loop. Matter of fact, let's just do that right now. I'm just go straight in. Just go to channel settings, press Control E, wait for that to load, and I'm just gonna get that first beginning part. Or matter of fact, even before I do that, let's trim the side noise, and of course, let's tempo sync this. Of course, let's go to Edit Properties, tempo sync it. And I'm gonna try and show you guys more of what I'm doing, because I know some people are like, oh, your videos aren't helpful, dude. I'm just playing. But yeah, I guess I don't go in depth. I just do my own thing, to be honest. But yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, tempo sync it. All that is doing is just matching up the speed of the sample to the correct tempo that your beat is gonna be at. So that's all I'm doing. And actually, no, I don't think I need to do that right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look for a loop first. That's what I'm gonna do first. I'm gonna look for a nice loop. Whoa, I thought I trimmed the side noise. All right, let's trim the side noise. So let's look for a nice loop.
12 seconds later.
All right, now all I gotta do now is EQ everything. I got my two loops. Let's just get rid of that first one right there. So actually, before I do that, what I like to do is I like to stretch these little segments that I got. I like to stretch them to fit the bars. So like, since this is closest to this second line, dark line right here, I'm gonna put it there. I'm gonna stretch it there. So what I'm going to do is, where is it? The stretch tool. Okay, so it's selected on stretch, so I'm just gonna stretch it just a little bit, so it's right there. Whoops, over here. And if you're wondering, my snap tool, my snap to grid tool is on events, so that it can snap freely. And I'm gonna do the same thing with this other segment or part of the sample as well, if it's not done already. All right, so yeah, they should sound normal. So I'm just gonna play them. All right, so there you go. Now, of course, it's a little bit sped up just because I turned up the tempo. But now what we're gonna do is we're gonna EQ it. We're gonna EQ the samples, because sometimes samples sound a little muddy, and yeah, we want to get rid of all that muddiness. So I'm gonna put these on these are the two samples. So as you can tell, right here it's active, and then over here it's active. So that you know that those are the two samples. I'm just gonna delete this one actually. Yeah. All right, so now that I'm just gonna put them on the first, what's it called? First channel, or the insert rack. So just because it's just gonna be easier for like EQ everything, because they're gonna have the same frequencies. So let's go ahead and put Fruity Parametric EQ on this, and EQ all. Now we're just gonna EQ all of the necessary sounds, so necessary frequencies actually. Let me bring this up. There. Alright, so I got rid of, you know what I'm saying, all the low ends, because we're gonna have a fat 808 in this beat, because you know it's a little baby Gunna type beat, so we're gonna need a nice 808. So we gotta clear out some room for that 808 by doing this. Alright, you see that? Get rid of all, not that much, just yeah. So now that we've gotten that, I'm just gonna add maybe some reverb on it, just cause, you know, reverb makes everything sound more intense. So, I mean, I know people roast me for putting reverb, but I don't care. I love reverb, okay? I'm gonna keep putting it. I'm gonna put reverb on reverb, okay? Now I got my reverb on it. I'm happy, I'm good. Now, what's next? Yeah, roast beat, you guessed it. So, well, not so fast. I'm gonna see if gross beat sounds nice on it, because I don't want to, you know what I'm saying, just use it just to use it. You don't want to use gross beat just to use it. Don't abuse gross beat, okay? Gross beat has feelings too, all right? Don't do that. What are you doing? Don't stop. But yeah, let's just check it out, see what it sounds like. Alright, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually look for a counter melody. But of course, and when we do look for counter melodies, we need to know what notes are in the sample. So how do we do that, you ask? Well, I'm glad you asked. What we're going to do actually is open up the sampler channel settings, the sample channel settings, and then go ahead, right click and press edit, or you can just do Control E or whatever. Then you're gonna click this little tag icon, hit detect pitch regions, and then boom, you get all your notes for the first sample. So just to record those notes, we're just gonna open up another sampler channel, just, you know, a blank one, has no VSTs on it or anything. I'm gonna go ahead and whoops, open this up in piano roll, and let's see, what do we have? It's E, C, B. I think that's it, right? E, C, B. That's the main notes that we hear in the sample, the first one. So we're gonna go to the next one after this just to check. E, C, B. Did I see something else? E, C, B. Nah. E, C, B. Alright. Alright, so that's what we got for the first one. Now we're gonna go ahead and close that out. Open up the second one, because I know I have a second one, so we're gonna open that up. Do the same thing, hit the detect pitch regions in that little thing over there. E, C, A. Alright, A is in the new one. So, and D. A and D. So let's add D and let's add A. Awesome. Here is our sample for the guitar riff. Alright, now I'm just gonna duplicate these just so that, you know, it's easier to see like all of them at once when on the Ghost channel. So yeah, let's just duplicate these. Shift these. Yeah, I'm gonna keep them like that. That's about good, right? Right? That should be good. All right, cool. All right, so this is our what's it called? This is our scale. I'm gonna stretch it out here. And I'm now gonna just go ahead and probably open up, yeah, probably gonna use Omnisphere. But yeah, let's use Nexus first. Let's find a melody with Nexus first. Then we're gonna go into Omnisphere, then we're gonna, you know what I'm saying, add some sauce, and we're gonna move on to the drums, because I know that's y'all favorite. Well, it's my favorite part. But yeah, let's do it. All right, let's get this melody going. Alright, so I found a counter melody or supporting melody, and I think it sounded really nice. I may or may not add another thing. We'll see what happens, but so far it sounded pretty decent. So here's what the whole thing sounds like so far. I know it sounds tough, you know. What can I say? But anyway, now we're gonna move on to the drums. I'm gonna start with the hi-hats. So I'm gonna go ahead and look for just, yeah, let's just find just a nice hi-hat. Turn off loop points because loop points are trash. And alright, y'all, so drums are looking real nice so far, man. I don't know, but yeah, I did the hi-hats, you know what I'm saying, did my little thing over here, and then I also added like a snare and a clap. It was just basic snare and clap, you know, just, you know, it's nothing major. But yeah, here's what that sounds like so far. But yeah, man, that's all I got. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move on to the 808s. But yeah, I gotta fix one of these melodies real quick because they kind of sound weird. Alright, so the 808 is done, and let's just say, man, Lil Baby, Gunna, if y'all need beats, man, just hit me up. Y'all know where to find me. I'm gonna go ahead and mix these 808s and the kick, of course. And yeah, man, we gonna turn this all the way up. But yeah, just sit tight.
One eternity later.
Alright, y'all, so we're finally done with the beat, and man, it turned out really, really nicely. That's what I think, at least. But yeah, and without further ado, here's the beat.
Unorthodox beats.
But yeah, there's the beat, you guys. I don't know, I thought that turned out really nicely. If you guys liked the video, don't forget to leave a like. Comment on videos in the future in the comment section below. Don't forget to turn on post notifications while you are at it. When you subscribe to the channel, of course. And once again, thank you guys so much for watching. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.